Top 5 Best Car Smoke Leak Detector in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. AUTOOL SDT203 Upgrade Car Smoke Leak Detector. Wide range of applications. Detecting the leakage of pipe systems on cars, motorcycles, snowmobiles, off-road vehicles, ATVs, light trucks, and speedboats boats. Suitable for all car models. Powerful and easy to operate. The AUTOOL SDT203 has its own air pump without relying on other machines and pressure gauge with precise scales. Simply connect the detector with the DC 12 volts battery. It can output thick smoke within 30s after turning on. Advanced technology. It works on the EVAP system, provided with another version that's specially designed for EVAP system. Equipped with dual flow meters for accurate data display and independently controlled air mode and smoke mode. Overheat and anti-frost protection. This smoke detector has an intelligent protector. If it exceeds the working limit, such as over 75 bars, it will automatically turn off the power to secure the safety of both the operator and device. 3 years warranty. For damage caused by non-human factors, we promise to resend parts for free within 3 years. For any needs, you are warmly welcome to contact us, and we will get back to you ASAP in 24 hours. Number 5. ANCEL S3000 Car Smoke Leak Detector with Air Pump 12-volt EVAP Diagnostic Tool. Smoke Machine Leak Detector. S3000 can easily check throttle shafts, engine block, turbo test system, crankcase system, intake system, exhaust system, fuel tank system, EVAP system, EGR system, cooling system, various pipe fittings leakage problem. Built-in air pump. No air compressor needed. Just connect Starite to your vehicle's 12-volt battery and generate smoke in seconds. With a pressure gauge and an adjustable flow meter. The compressor generates air pressure from 0.8 to 14.5 psi, allowing smoke to be easily introduced into the tested sealing system, speeding up the leak detection process. No damage to your car, powered by an onboard battery, heating baby oil or mineral oil products, non-toxic fumes that will not cause harm to the human body. And it has a smart protector, which will automatically turn off the power in extreme temperatures too.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.